was caught in the middle. Never noticed how much I look like you. I was making all riddles, how I always wanted to look like you. But I do, I look like you. Oh, I do, I look like you. For all the days and all the nights we didn't get to spend together, we will make it up from now and forever. For all the ways I try to find just to make it all look better, now I do, 'cause I look like you, I look like you, I look like you. I was used to being little. When I grew up, everyone was always bigger. Then I learned I'm not a quitter. Will you show me I am taller than I look? I guess I look like you. Oh, I do, I look like you. For all the days and all the nights we didn't get to spend together, we will make it up from.
The wind blows west and quickly, whisper in the blues, and people pace and worry. But I'm just here with you. The frost could touch the rooftops, but it'll never touch my heart. 'Cause the warmth that you and I've got, it's more than just a spark. Are we just smaller versions of a bigger home? Are you the rivers in your veins and mine, the flakes that become snow? And you might believe that everything is broken, fragments of sentences we haven't spoken, but maybe are we just jagged lines across a buried sea? Are the shapes inside a sundisk the same as the arms of trees, and saying we're a shell of what we used to be? Maybe we're smaller. Are we just smaller? And I get lost in finding comfort this time. Fractals all around us, in hopes that I have found us. There's beauty in these broken designs. Now I know there is nothing to be fixed. Oh, can we exist unfinished? Are we just clouds up in the northern hemisphere, taking up dreams that I've left for?
One step forward and 10 steps back. I bet on red, but it should have been black. They say there's nothing that love can solve. I guess that's true without me involved. I rode a high to the end of the bottle. I rode a high to the end of belief, and I pushed it hard, yeah, way too far beyond the point of truth. I rode a high to the end of you. I guess forever just ain't enough. I went all in, then you called my bluff. They say there's one card you shouldn't play. I hit it hard each and every way. I rode a high to the end of the bottle. I rode a high to the end of belief, and I pushed it hard, yeah, way too far beyond the point of truth. I rode a high to the end of you. If I could turn back time, maybe I could prove you better. But that would be a lie. I rode a high.
to do. Recently I've realized I like doing it all with you. Take my hand, twirl me around, hold me close, don't ever put me down. Every time I look at you, you're looking back at me, my dear. When you are around, everything seems crystal clear. I've been dreaming of this moment, hoping for something real, for something real. Way back when I was a lonely soul, holding on to a heart so cold. Letting go is the only way to free myself from years of pain. You came to me like an ocean breeze, words so sweet I thought I'd never see. Love like this is all I need. Never thought I'd be so free. I can't count all the times I've tried to fill the void that's broken me apart so many times. Then you came into my life, hold me close, hold me tight. Every time I look at you, you're looking back at me, my dear. When you are around, everything seems crystal clear. I've been dreaming of this moment, hoping for something.
When you reach the point of no return, when you feel like you've had enough, there's an angel who sings and a voice that is leading you home. Let the rays of light shine down on you. Let the sun wash away your tears when you're lost and alone, and the whole world is turning its back. The time is right, no shortcut and no easy ride. Your eyes are open wide enough to up above, but behind.
I remember the day, I remember the hour when I first set my eyes on you on that warm summer night.